developed the iRobot Braava Jet M6, the second best robot mop in 2024. This state-of-the-art cleaning companion offers an unparalleled level of convenience and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any modern household. The Braava Jet M6 stands out with its advanced smart mapping technology, which enables it to learn the layout of your home for optimized cleaning paths. The device's intelligent design extends to its user-friendly app, allowing for effortless scheduling and remote control, perfect for setting up cleaning sessions while you're away. Its precision jet spray and mapping capabilities ensure that every corner of your home receives the meticulous attention it deserves. Whether it's a spilled cup of coffee or the daily dust and debris, the Braava Jet M6 handles it all with ease, providing targeted cleaning as needed. What sets the Braava Jet M6 apart is its ability to deliver a pristine cleaning experience, moving in organized rows much like a professional service would, hence earning it the nickname Hotel Treatment among satisfied users. Offering both wet and dry mopping options, the Braava Jet M6 adapts to your cleaning needs with a simple change of pads. Its meticulous approach ensures comprehensive coverage of your floors. Moreover, its Imprint Link technology enables seamless collaboration with Roomba vacuum cleaners from the I, J, or S series, creating a fully automated cleaning routine with just a few app commands. Despite its thorough cleaning process, the Braava Jet M6 battery life is impressive, capable of covering up to 1,000 square feet on a single charge. This efficiency, combined with its methodical cleaning pace, means your floors are always impeccably clean without constant supervision. Another thumbs up!